Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to receive money on Coinbase. First, open your Coinbase app or visit the website. Navigate to the Receive section to find your unique cryptocurrency address. This address is essential for anyone sending you funds. Always double-check the asset type, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, to ensure you're getting the correct address. Sharing this correctly is the first step to a smooth transaction. Once you've found your receiving address for a specific cryptocurrency, you can easily share it. You'll see an option to copy the address directly or display a QR code. For convenience, many people prefer sharing the QR code as it minimizes typing errors. Remember, each cryptocurrency has its own distinct address, so always confirm you're sharing the correct one for the asset you expect to receive. After someone sends you funds, you'll see a pending transaction in your Coinbase account. Confirmation times vary depending on the network, but typically take a few minutes. Once confirmed, your balance will update and the funds will be available in your portfolio. From there, you can hold the crypto, trade it for another asset, or convert it to fiat currency like US dollars for withdrawal. Always exercise caution when receiving funds. Double-check the sender's details and the exact amount you expect to receive to prevent errors or scams. Be mindful that some transactions may incur small network fees, which are deducted from the sent amount. For more helpful tips and to check out the Oala water bottle, which helps you stay hydrated, please see the link in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.